present the open source presentation. First of all, the introduction of the open source. The term open source refers to something people like can modify and share because like it designed very publicly accessible. And the background information about open source is it original in the context of software development to design a special approach to create the computer programs. And in history, in 1997, the Eric Roman published like his book, the Castag and Market, exploring the hacker community and the principles of free software. And at the beginning of 1998, the paper received great attention. So like that brings us the question: what is the open source software? The open source software is software with source code that like anyone can inspect, modify, and like change. And and sorry. And the open source can be very open software is software with software that can. So the source code is the part of software that most computer users don't have to see. It's the code computer program can mo manipulate to change. And like open software whereas the software. So some software has source code that uh, only the person team of organization who created and maintains exclusive control over it can modify. So people kind of software the proportion of closed software. Only the proprietary software is only the owner of the proprietary software can legally copy, inspect, and alter the software. So computer users must agree, and usually like by signing a license displayed at the first time run of the software. And the examples is like the Microsoft Office and Photoshop. And also the open source software is different. Its author makes it source code available for others who like to wield the code, copy it, learn from it, and to share it. And the other examples is the LibreOffice and GNU image and manipulation programs. And is the computer programs important? No, like the open source technology and open source thinking both benefit programs and non-programs. Next is the open source software with the commercial software. The commercial available software uh, doesn't like give access of its source code because the source code is someone else intellectual profits. As a result, users often pay for it. The OSS, on the other hand, is a collaborate effect. The software shared intellectual property among who have like help of and develop it. And the next is the open source software with the free software, the similar part. Like they also the terms are often used interchangeable. OSS is slightly different that they both deal with the ability to download and modify the software without the restriction and charges. However, the different part is the MIT computer science researcher Rachel Stallman is defined by four conditions as the outlines by the non-profit free software foundation. These four freedom express the abilities of user to use and enjoy softwares as they see it. So there's like two advantages of open source software. You can see the first is like it can be easy and greatly improved when the source code is passed around, tests and fixes. The next is like it can be more secure than the other software because like the bugs and are definitely fixed quickly. And last is the since it's the public domain and constantly subject to update, there's a little chance it can become unavailable or quickly outmoded, an important plus for a long-term project. And that's all I have. Thanks for watching.